Hello students of class 11. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 11 nutrition and this video is for carbohydrate. This video number is 6. In the previous video, we have learned about the structures of monosaccharides. In this video, we will learn about the structures of the disaccharides. We will start the disaccharides. You know there are three types of disaccharides. These are lactose, sucrose and maltose. And you also know that I told you in the previous video also, disaccharide means there are two monosaccharides are joined together and forming disaccharides. So let's check how they are forming the disaccharides. So as I told you, this video is for the structures of the disaccharides. So this is the first structure of the disaccharide and it is the structure of sucrose. The sucrose is the most common type of the disaccharides, include sucrose, which is known as cane sugar, or the sucrose is the normal sugar, the table sugar that we are eating, that is cane sugar. It is composed of glucose and fructose joined by alpha 1,2 glycosidic linkage. In the last video, I just discussed about the glycosidic linkage. What is glycosidic linkage? What is the structure of the glycosidic linkage? I think you understood. It is present in table sugar, vegetables, fruits, etc. It is non-reducing sugar as both the functional groups, that is aldehyde of glucose and the ketone of the fructose, are bound up in a glycosidic linkage. So let's check the structure. In the first structure that you can see, it is a structure of glucose and second structure of fructose. In the first structure, it is the first carbon, it is the second, it is the third, it is the fourth, it is the fifth, and this one is sixth. So it is the normal pyranose ring structure, Howard ring structure of the glucose. And here you can see it is the fructose, but the fructose is present in the reverse side. That means it is the first, it is the second, it is the third, it is the fourth, it is fifth and the sixth carbons. And you already know the fructose have that the structure, it is called the furanose structure because it have 5-membered ring. Okay, so in both Howard ring structure, they are joining together, they are forming the glycosidic linkage and they are forming finally the sucrose. So in the first glucose, that means this, the glucose is present in the proper shape, but for the fructose, it is present reversely. That means the one is in this side, the up one is in this side. So from the first carbon, the OH group, from the OH group, the H is taken, and for the fructose, from this OH group, the OH is taken, and one elimination of water done, and here they are forming the glycosidic linkage by the oxygen. Okay, here you can see in this second structure they are attached and they are forming the glycosidic linkage with the help of oxygen. So this is the all over structure of the sucrose. After the sucrose, we are going forward with the structure of the lactose. So it is the structure of the lactose. In the structure of the lactose, one glucose unit and one galactose unit is joining together. The lactose or milk sugar is another important disaccharide made up of glucose and galactose. It is produced by mammals and is the only carbohydrate of animal origin which is of significance in the diet. In lactose, the two monosaccharides are joined by an 1,4-glycosidic linkage. It is a reducing sugar since one of the aldehyde group is free. Okay, so in the structure of the lactose, you can see that is the glucose and this one is the galactose. So here it is the first carbon, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth and this is sixth. For the galactose also, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. For them, they are forming the glycosidic linkage by 1,4-glycosidic linkage. That means the first carbon and the fourth carbons are forming the glycosidic linkage. For the glucose unit, with the first carbon, the OH is attached and hanging in the downward side, and for the galactose, the OH is in the upper side. Okay, so they are forming from glucose they took one hydrogen, and for the galactose they took one OH and one water elimination done, and they are forming the glycosidic linkage that is not partial, and that is that is non-partial glycosidic linkage, and it is 1,4-glycosidic linkage. Okay. In the next video, we will going to learn about the structure of the maltose. In this video, we only learned about the structure of lactose and sucrose. In the next video, we will learn about the maltose. Till then, thank you.